Your father is dead. Killed by serpents.
My death comes without apology, and I welcome the Valkyries to summon me home!
Watch your tongue or have it cut from your head. Save your life by keeping whispers unsaid. Children roam the streets, now orphans of war. Bodies hanging in the streets to adore. Oil flames will cover path in chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Death is riding into town with armor. They come to take all your
God bless.
Hail the Ragnar!
to the world. Kneel to the crown. Stand in the sun.
King Ragnar!
To the king.
That is my name! King Ragnar! Me!
Blood is spilled while holding keys to the throne. Born again, but it's too late to atone. No mercy from the edge of the blade. Dare escape and learn the price to be paid. Let the water flow with shades of red now. Arrows black out all the light. Death is riding into town with armor.
Who is on me? And to whom do we owe our allegiance? And to whom do we owe our gratitude?
Stand in the sun. Hail to the king.
You must seek repent. You declare war on the whole world.
Shield wall! Right shield! 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 Standen! 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 Kolonner! Turn! On the wall! Run! We have to retreat! Save yourself! God help us.
I don't think he can.
Nothing here but those you get.
There's a taste of fear when the henchmen call. Iron fist to tame it.
I have to kill him.
Iron fist to claim it all.
So who wants to be king? Do you know how this works? If you want to be king, you must kill him.
Stand in the sun.
Who wants to be king?